Before you came to earth, you had already been chosen. A spark of light wrapped in destiny, signed by the divine. They call it Chi, the silent witness of your journey, the spirit twin that was beside you, the unseen voice that whisper, go left when the word says right. You may forget your purpose, but Chi never sleeps. When the road is dark, your Chi lights a candle in your soul. When men mock you, Chi listens, smiles and say, Nwam, your time is not yet come. Some Chi are gentle, some are stubborn, some bring wealth, others bring wisdom. But every Chi carries a path, and no two paths are the same. So walk your journey with patience, for your Chi is not lost. It's only watching, waiting for you to believe again. Because in believing, you awaken the power that was always yours. Comment Chi in the comment section, and thank you for watching.